Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. This is Andy. Today, we will rapidly introduce our built-in round touchscreen laser cleaning head, Thunder Pro Max. This is our unique new product, which independently developed, produced by our company. And we also add air blowing production system inside, and the laser is totally launched to the market. Our first laser cleaning head is called Thunder. And Thunder Plus and Pro Max is our fully upgraded new products. This new product has a round touchscreen on the head, and I think we are the first factory who add this round touchscreen on laser cleaning heads. And we also add a double red light gather to find the focus distance faster. And for this time, we also build the production air blowing system inside, so the head appearance will look more upscale. Compared with other laser cleaning machines, laser cleaning heads, our Thunder Plus and Pro Max laser heads have many advantages. First of all, we have made a round touchscreen on the head for parameter settings. As you know, on the market, many other cleaning heads have low touchscreen on the head, and for example, when you do the cleaning job, especially the cabinet is far away, you need to move back to the cabin for parameter settings every time, so it will waste a lot of energy and time. But our head, you can just make the settings or start it, close it directly on the laser head. It's very convenient. And this round touchscreen is very, very useful, and we got a lot of good feedback from our customers. And second, we have to make air blowing system for the lens, so it can ensure no smoke and the dust can attach the lens and damage it. And for most other laser cleaning heads, they have no air blowing protection. During the cleaning jobs, there is a lot of rust and smoke will explode in air, and the rust will attach the lens and get dirt, and even damage the production glass. So you need to clean and replace with new glasses very frequently, and it will take a lot of time and also a lot of money. But our laser cleaning heads have no such problem. Third, and we have customized an adjustable focusing bracket, and this bracket can make sure the cleaning result is uniform and can save energy for long-time cleaning jobs. When you do the cleaning jobs, after holding the laser head for a long time, your hand will get very tired for a long time cleaning jobs. So our bracket solves this problem perfectly. And fourth, and we also add a double red light gather, so it can help you to find the right focus distance faster, and can also improve the cleaning efficiency. On the market, most laser cleaning heads, they have no such brackets, and only most can have one red light gather, so you need to hold the head and move up and down many times and to test and find out the right focus, so it will waste a lot of time. Yeah. And the Thunder Silver's laser cleaning heads are mostly made for parsed fiber laser source. And the mopa laser cleaning machines made by our factory have so many advantages. So let me introduce one by one. Firstly, let's check the software advantages. Number one, and the software and control board is totally made and designed by ourselves. And we have, number two, we have created a line, different cleaning mode with laser, different patterns, like we have line, circles, well, wave, triangle, and so on, so many different laser patterns. And the third, and we can make settings on the system to offer a double-click trigger to start the laser. And this will ensure the safety for the operators. You know, when you do the cleaning job, if the laser trigger touch something in accident with only a single click, so in this way, no laser will come out to make any danger or damage. So number four, and our system can support any language in the world, like Spanish, French, German, and Russian, and so on. Any language in the world. And number five, and we also can add your own logo in our interface system. So let's check the hardware advantages. And except the four advantages of our laser cleaning head we mentioned before, we also have some other advantages. Let me introduce one by one. Number one, we also customize a high-speed galvanometer scanner, and the max speed we can reach is about 30,000 rounds per minute. So very fast scanner, and it can offer higher cleaning efficiency. Number two, and we also use imported focus lens with silicone, and this can make it taking high temperature resistance. And number three, the equipment line circuits meet the EU standard, and we have CE certificate for that. And number four, and the portable design, and we can make it very easy to carry and move. So you can also put it in your car van. So the whole machine you can put into your car van and take it for outdoor cleaning jobs. And you even can take it on the airplane, and you can fly anywhere to offer demonstration or cleaning service. So it's perfect. And number five, we also equipped with a built-in oil-water separator. So this gas pipe can directly connect with your air compressor. So you don't need to use the expensive argon or nitrogen gas. The normal compression air is enough, so it will help you to save a lot of using cost. So laser Sounder and Sounder Plus, these two heads is normally designed and suitable for mopa laser power within 300 watts. So you can choose 100, 200 or 300 watts. And the cabin, you can choose the mini backpack type, and the plastic suitcase, and also the aluminum trailer case. These are all designed and made by ourselves. And for the Sounder Pro Max, we can equip on the high power 500 watts, 1000 watts laser pulse laser source, and with a bigger metal cabin. This can be water cooling or air cooling, both is okay. And for the laser source, we also have single mode and multi-mode to choose from for different cleaning conditions. And for example, if you want to clean the mold and you don't want any damage on the surface, you can just choose a multi-mode, so it will have no damage during the cleaning. And also for the parts energy, we have single mode like 1.5, 2 MJ to choose from, and the multi-mode we have 5, 10, 50, and even 100 MJ to choose from. So why choose HJZ laser? HJZ laser actually is a big factory with 15 years history, and we own a modern garden-style building factory. The area size is over 5,000 square meters, very big factory. And we also have a very strong engineering team. Most of the engineers have over 8 years working experience in laser industry. And for the after sales, we also have a team to provide 24 hours service and support every day. And before delivery, and all the machines, we will do a few days continued testing and make sure the best quality when the customer got them in hand. And moreover, we also own a metal processing factory. That is why we can design and make the unique cabin and products on the market, and also offer customization service. We can also make your own cabinets and logo with the color you preferred. And finally, we also always focus on the lean installation technology, and we keep on the innovation and the development depends on the customer's feedback. So, with so many advantages of our company and products, I think HJZ laser will be your best choice. So welcome to contact us for more details and start our happy cooperation. Finally, let's look forward to our next new product launch. What will it look like, and what new highlights does it have? Let's keep waiting. So now I need to end the conference. So thanks so much for your time, and we will see you again soon. Bye.